We like to do European projects like Interflex because we want to meet with also other DSOs within Europe and to see if the problems we face in the Netherlands are the same as the other DSOs have. The key innovative aspect I wanted to push is to see how we can manage to build with multiple partners a multiple solution.
One of the biggest challenges that we encountered was to get all the different protocols that we need for communicating the flexibility offers and requests working. So it was a big IT achievement and we're very happy that we managed to get it working.
I think the main challenge is the devices in the low voltage grid that they also need to contribute to the flexibility and the needs of the new electricity system of the future with a lot of variable renewable energy. We needed to develop an ICT architecture with the right interfaces. So in principle we developed it from scratch and see what is needed. But during the project we have selected external protocols that were already used before because we could easily apply them.
What we found in Interflex is that it is possible to combine all the different flexibilities in one flexibility market. And because we have proved that, we also enter now into a phase where we can allow more flexibilities into the system, and that way we can take the energy transition one step further.
We have renewables who are connecting to a network at all the levels on the network. I think we have good forecasting systems for the future. We can also look where we have congestion problems and solve them with, for instance, flex or other possibilities that are coming in now and in the future.
The customers that drive an electric vehicle can charge cheaper by offering flexibility to the flexibility market. And we think this will encourage new drivers to enter into the electric vehicle transportation instead of the fossil fuel cars.
In this project we were able to work with 3 Dutch partners, and we have also selected 3 other companies to all jointly focus on one site. And that, I think, was also a reason why we in Eindhoven were able to make a big step forward.
Working in this big consortium and also what I learned in 3 years, that it's very nice to see what other countries are doing, solving the same problem, because everybody in Europe is having the same opportunities and the same problems on the energy transition. Within Interflex, it was especially nice to see also the coordination we have from our friends in Enedis, and also to see the differences we have.
I think it was a really interesting time to learn not only about our own country, but also from the other projects involved in Interflex, because every country has their own strategies that they follow, they have their own difficulties that they encounter, and by communicating with each other we learn much more than by doing it alone.